Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Now we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Environmental Pollution and your chapter number is 10. Children, in this chapter first we are going to talk about the environment. Children, what do you think? What is an environment? Right. Whatever surrounds you, whether it is tree, when you look around, you will see trees, plants, animals, cars. Then you will see buses. Then you will see books, tables, right? As well as humans. So these are the things which surrounds us, and all these things together makes the environment. So anything that surrounds us is known as the environment. It can be air, it can be water, it can be, you can say, the chair, it can be any animal, insect, and what else? Humans, and any non-living thing. It can be any non-living thing and the living things. So the things which are living and non-living that surround us is known as the environment. It's as simple as that. So children, do you know we are becoming the great threat to the environment? Ask me how? Do you remember that we celebrate every day the Earth's Day? What is the message that we give in that Earth's Day? That we should save our planet or save our Earth. But why do we have to save our Earth? We have to save our Earth because we humans are creating lot of problems for the Earth, right? And how we are doing so? Do you go for a ride in a car? Yes. Sometimes you and your father only go for a ride in a car. Have you ever imagined that you can go on a motorbike also if you are going alone with your father? But no, you only said that I want to go in a car. Children, these little things causes harm to our environment. How? Because the smoke or the fuel that is getting burnt up during the ride, that create lot of pollution. And what is pollution? Wait, I will tell you what is the pollution. Dear children, let us know what is the pollution. So any harm to the environment cause the pollution or is called the pollution. Why? Have you ever wondered that how this smoke comes out of the factory and then goes off in the air? Right? So smoke contains lot of harmful particles in it that get mixed with air and that causes the pollution to the environment. Then if we talk about the land, then we throw lot of garbage, we throw lot of waste on the land. That also causes the pollution of the land, right? And then if we talk about the water, the sewage system or the sewage, you can say the waste coming out of the house that get mixed with the water and that causes the water pollution. And if we talk about the loud voice, that also creates a pollution and that is known as the noise pollution.
Dear students, let us know with the pictures what is an environment. So, we are continuing the chapter number 10, Environmental Pollution. So, now, as you know, our environment consists of all the living things, whether it is animal, whether it is bird, whether it is plants or trees, or whether it is insects. So they all come into the categories of living things. Moving ahead, environment also consists of non-living things. So there are some pictures which are non-living things like table, books, and car. What else environment consists of? Environment also consists of air, water, land, plants, and animals. So as you can see in the picture, you can see air, water, land, plants, and animals in this. Now, let us talk about the pollution. So harm caused to environment is called the pollution. We all know this. And what is the proper definition of pollution is the contamination of air, land, or water by harmful substances is the pollution. So, as we know, what is the pollution? What do you think? How the environment is getting polluted? It is we, the humans, who are responsible for getting the environment polluted. How? Let's see that also. So basically there are four types of pollution, in which air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution, which when the smoke or the dust or the any other harmful chemicals mix with the air, is the air pollution. Land pollution, when we throw garbage on the land or the waste on the land, that creates the land pollution. Water pollution, when harmful chemicals or the other substances get mixed in the water, that causes the water pollution. And loud noise or the loud sound which is there in the environment, that creates the noise pollution. Thank you and have a nice day.